Hey pickles, and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all well and staying safe. Something a bit different and more chilled today. I'm going to show you guys how I clean my brushes. Now this might seem a bit boring in comparison to a makeup tutorial, but it's actually really important to keep your brushes, sponges, tools clean. They can harbour all sorts of bacteria, dust and just general nasties, so definitely worth regularly keeping them nice and fresh. This is what I use, and it's called Zote laundry soap. I saw Amy Macedo, who is a fellow YouTuber who is incredible by the way, using this a few years ago. You can see how filthy my on the go block is at the minute, but it's incredible. It gets rid of stains and it's completely safe for use against the skin, obviously because it is a laundry soap. I also use this little sieve, and I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to get your brushes clean with this product. Since being poorly, I can't do the whole standing in the bathroom cleaning 500 brushes kind of thing, so I literally just use an old stained towel and a bowl of water, and I sit at my desk and I clean my brushes this way, and it's just so much less strain on me. But obviously if you can do this under running water, it is best after all because it's just taking everything away. But the Zote soap rinses really easily, you'll see in a minute, so you can use a bowl of water if, like me, you can't stand for long periods. You can see here just how well this lathers and foams up, but look at it, straight away pulling that bronzer out of that brush with literally almost no effort. The sieve really helps because it is slightly abrasive, but as long as you're gentle, it's not going to ruin your brushes. And just like that, the brush is clean. One final rinse to make sure that all of the suds are out, which they are. See, I told you guys, this rinses out super duper easy, and my brush is clean. And that was full of bronzer, guys. Squeeze out the excess and boom, that was not sped up either. What did that take, about 15-20 seconds? Come on. Ever since I swapped to this Zote soap, I think it's Zote or it might be Zote, I'm not certain, but it is incredible. I have never looked back. So I'll show you again in real time, and then the rest I will speed up. So this is I think this also had bronzer on it, you know, but this one might be a little easier for you guys to see because it does have duofiber bristles, so the ends are, when it's clean, they are white. So you can see it's all lathered up, it suds up straight away, and it just, right before your eyes, the bronzer literally vanishes out of the brush. I don't know what the witchcraft is in this laundry soap, but my god, if you followed me for a few years here on YouTube, you'll remember very first brush cleaner video I did many moons ago, I used the Vanish soap bar. This is basically the same but bigger, and I do think it works a little bit better. I get mine off Amazon. It's around £20 for the pack of 3, but let me tell you, these bars are huge. The bar that I'm using, I've had on the go for about 4 months now, and I clean my brushes like this after every use. So it lasts really well, and even though there's a great big hole in it, there is still loads of life in it. Trust me, I will use this until it is all gone, but I have stocked up because it doesn't hurt to be prepared. The world is ending on us right now, but whatever happens, at least my brushes are going to be clean. Priorities. Now this that you're watching should be a challenge. Red eyeshadow, white bristled brush. Look at that, there is just no hope of that ever coming clean again. Now bear in mind, I don't hate stained brushes as long as they're clean. Stains just show that they're loved. Oh, but look, magic. The Zote has literally took everything out of the brush. Like, can we appreciate this? It is witchcraft, it is voodoo, it is whatever you want to call it, but I absolutely love this product. Can you tell? Can you actually tell how obsessed I am with the Zote? Really? Why wouldn't I be though? Look, that brush literally looks brand new, and you saw it. Rewind if you need to. It was full of like a deep burgundy red eyeshadow. Incredible. I'm going to speed up from here on out, just because you guys don't need to see me wash every single brush in slow-mo with a talk through. I'm just going to let you see how easily it actually let me clean my brushes, how quickly. I do just want to say, with this concealer buffer brush, it is stained. You see me go in 2 or 3 times I think with the Zote, and she doesn't come white again. However, if you look on the last time that I go in with the Zote, the suds are white. So I go in until the suds are white. You can see they're getting lighter this time, and that way I know that the brush is clean. It's just stained. Stained is not an issue, clean is what we're aiming for. So just remember that. Not everything is going to come sparkling white, and that's okay. So as I said, I'm just going to leave this playing on out for you guys just to see. I will leave a link to the Amazon listing that I use down below. If you are in America, or I believe Canada as well, you can literally pick this up from the dollar store. So sucks to be us here in the UK. But anyway, as I said, I'm going to leave this to play out. I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully, remember to take care, look after one another, be your own #1 fan, and above all, just at the minute, to stay safe. I'll see you next time, pickles.
Don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle. Just wait, let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay, let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Huddle, babe, snuggle, babe. Huddle, babe, snuggle, babe. Just wait, let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Babe, snuggle, babe.